Ngayon, ituturo ko kung paano gamitin ang comparison operator sa C++ programming. Okay, so ang comparison operators ay ginagamit sa pag-compare ng dalawang value. Okay, so note, the return value of a comparison is either true or false. Okay, kapag true, so ang value niya is 1, and kapag false naman, ang value niya is 0. Okay, sa example, okay, so ang output ng cout statement is 1 because 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so dito nag-declare tayo ng variable x and nag-assign tayo na 5. Okay, and sa variable y naman, so nag-assign tayo ng 3. Okay, sa cout statement, sa loob ng statement, so mayroon tayong comparison operator. Okay, so greater than ang symbol natin. Okay, so x is greater than y. Okay, so ang x is 5. Okay, so ang y is 3. So therefore, mas higher yung variable x. Okay, so x greater than y. So greater yung x. So ang result niya is 1. Okay, so ngayon titingnan natin sa sample program. Okay, so try natin i-run para makita natin yung actual na output. So dito sa sample program, so ginamit natin yung sample statement. Okay, so nag-initialize tayo or nag-declare tayo ng variable x and y. Okay, so sa cout, x greater than y. Okay, so try natin i-run. Okay, sa output screen, so makikita natin, so ang result is 1. Okay, so yan ang paggamit ng comparison operator sa C++ programming. Okay, so dito makikita natin ang list ng C++ comparison operators. Okay, so first is the equal to. Okay, so ang symbol niya, so dalawang equal sign. Okay, so example, x is equal to y. Okay, so ngayon titingnan natin sa program kung paano gamitin ang equal to. Okay, so dito sa sample program, so gumamit tayo ng x equal to y. Okay, so sa declaration, so ang value ng x is 5, ang y is 3. Okay, so x is equal to y, return 0. Okay, so bakit 0 or false? Because 5 is not equal to 3. Okay, so try natin i-run. Okay, so ang result niya is 0. So hindi equal yung 5 and 3. Okay, so yan ang equal to operator. Okay, so ngayon naman is not equal operator. Okay, so not equal operator, so ang symbol niya is exclamation and equal. Okay, so sa example, so x not equal to y. Okay, so take note, sa not equal, so kabaliktaran ito ng equal to operator. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin sa program kung paano gamitin ang not equal operator. Okay, so dito sa program, so gumamit tayo ng variable x, so ang value niya is 5, and variable y, so ang value is 3. Okay, sa cout, so gumamit tayo ng not equal. Okay, so x not equal to y returns 1 or true because 5 is not equal to 3. Okay, so ngayon try natin i-run. Okay, so ang output niya is 1. So, bakit naging 1 or true? Okay? So, ang 5 and 3 is not equal. Okay? Kaya true or 1 ang output. Okay? So, yan ang not equal operator. Okay, so next is greater than. Okay, so sa first sample program na ginawa ko, so ito yung ginamit kong example, yung greater than symbol or greater than operator. Okay, so now, less than operator. Okay, so sa less than operators, ito yung symbol niya. Okay, so example, x less than y. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin sa sample program kung paano gamitin ang less than operator. Okay, so dito sa sample program, okay, so katulad ng ibang example, so x and y pa rin ang gagamitin natin. Yung x is 5, ang y is 3. Okay, cout x less than y. Okay, so x less than y returns 0 or false because 5 is not less than 3. Okay, so try natin i-run. Okay, so ang result niya is 0. Okay, so because x is not less than y. Okay, so di ba ang x is 5. Okay, so 5 is not less than 3. Okay, so kaya 0 ang result. Okay, so yan ang less than. Okay, so ngayon naman is greater than or equal to. Okay, so ang symbol niya is greater than and equal. Okay, sa example, x greater than or equal to y. Ngayon, tingnan natin sa sample program kung paano gamitin ang greater than or equal to. Okay, so dito sa sample program, sa cout statement, so meron tayong x greater than or equal to y. Now, ang x is 5, ang y is 3. Okay, so x greater than or equal to y returns 1 or true because 5 is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so ang x is 5. So, mas mataas ang x sa y. Okay, so ang result niya is 1. Okay, so try natin i-run ang program. Okay, so dito sa output, so ang result niya is 1. Okay, so yan ang greater than or equal to. Okay, so next is less than or equal to. Okay, so ang symbol niya is less than and equal symbol. So ang example, so x less than or equal to y. Okay, so ngayon tingnan natin sa sample program ang less than or equal to. Okay, sa sample program, sa cout statement, so x less than or equal to y. Okay, so ang x is 5, ang y is 3. Now, x less than or equal to y returns 0 or false because 5 is neither less than or equal to 3. Okay, so ang result niya is 0. Okay, so try natin i-run. Okay, so ang output is 0. Okay, so yan ang less than or equal to. Okay, so ito ang mga comparison operator na pwede natin gamitin sa C++ programming. So equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Hanggang dito na muna, abangan nyo na lang ang mga susunod na video sa C++ tutorial series dito sa channel. Good luck and God bless.